with my family. We're going to Macau. So, ito na. Ito na. Dito na, guys. Pasakay na kami ng plane.
Hong Kong, I'm coming for you, bro.
Welcome everyone on board. This was Air Asia Flight 0921 for Macau. Assisting them, of course, is my first officer, Captain Busnach, and I welcome you on behalf of the whole crew.
We've arrived at Macau and it's raining outside.
Hi guys,
Ano kami?
dito po kami.
Me and my family. It's raining, it's raining, it's raining. And then sila mami. And I'm with my maleta. Nandito na kami sa hotel. We're here at the hotel. Hey guys. So we're here at the hotel. We have arrived to our hotel. I forgot the name, pero nandito na kami. Ibaba lang naman yung gamit namin, and then we're gonna eat because it's already, I think, 8 or 7 p.m. Magdi-dinner na tayo, di ba?
Guys.
We're going to eat Christoph. To our hotel room. Nag-aantay na lang kami. Oh, yun yung kwarto. So, quick tour lang. So, andito na kami sa hotel. Ito yung bathroom namin. So, hi, Adam! So, ayan. This is our bathroom. You say hi!
Hi.
So, ayan yung bathroom. Tapos, pag ano dito, nandito yung mga bed. Then, connected dun yung other room nung pagkapasok namin. So, tada! Here's our hotel room. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to So, we're eating dinner na. Yan, in our hotel room. Doon na kami mag-eat and nasa hotel lang kami. Ito lang yung airport to. Tapos ito yung hotel namin. So ayan, picture daw muna. Hi! Say hi, Adam. Say hi! So ayan, gagala kami ng mga family ko. Ayan. So picture daw muna dito. So ayan. Saan kami pupunta? Sabi namin there's over there and lakad-lakad day na yung alaga ko yung sigiting. So dito pa rin kami sa may bandang airport. Yeah. So yan, nakasalamin. So, naglakad kami kanina doon, pero sarado yung daan doon. So, we're gonna take a bus. Mag-take na talaga kami ng bus kasi ang gulo talaga ng show nila. Ayan. Kasi dapat maglalakad kami but may harang yung daan. So, we'll just wait for the bus and then gagala na kami. Yan. Kuya ko.
Same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me. So let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing nothing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say with the
Where are we going, Mommy?
I don't know.
Hindi din alam ni Mami.
Pero tingnan nyo, ang ganda ng
view!
We gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, hey. All night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey. Baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey. Baby, when we gon' slide. Slide, slide.
So, nandito na kami ngayon sa I don't know. I think hindi ko alam, pero para siyang museum or what, or parang something na theater. It's this because may nakikita ko mga posters sa paligid na Harry Potter at hindi ko alam, basta ayan. So yeah, we're just going to enter there and look for something. Parang ang tagal na, pero ngayon lang. Grabe yung CR dito. You be like, looking so expensive. Yes. Ang laki. Tapos, ayun, nakita nyo kanina. There is a big mirror. Right here. Look at that. It's so slayable. Parang hindi sa banyo. Parang, I love the vibe. Sa may Venice. Wow! Ano? Na-fake kami kasi hindi talaga to maaraw. That's so fake. Bro, like, you think that it was still morning? Pero ang galing. Oh my God. Para talaga siyang, ano ba? Is it Italy? Alam, pero parang siyang, ano, katulad na sa Venice. But much smaller. Ano lasa? Sarap pa. Pa din titikman ko. Mainit pa yun. Ang sarap. Yeah. Yummy.
Sarap niya, no?
Ang tawag doon? George Bakery.
Tart?
Yeah. Mahab siya. Habang mainit pa. I recommend you guys would buy this in Macau. Lalo na kapag mainit. Their egg tart is so yummy. Grabe yung mga tindahan dito. Hindi ko kinikerry. Hindi ako tamang tao para dito. Hindi mo ba? Okay, it's paid. I don't think I belong here. So, we're going home, I guess. Baliw. Kasi almost all of the stores here are already closed. So, I guess we're also going to go home now. Lang kami. Kasi pauwi na kami pero naliligaw ata kami. Parang naliligaw kami. Pero hindi kasi kabisado nila Kuya Kenneth yung daan dito. Pero uwi na rin naman kami. We'll just have to find our way to get out of here.